Mistplay does not have a guaranteed unit boost that gives every user the same increase in earnings, because available rewards and offers can vary between accounts. By the end, you'll know what can increase your Mistplay units, how to find boost opportunities, and what steps actually help your rewards grow. Mistplay units are earned by playing supported mobile games through the Mistplay app. The amount you earn depends on the games available, your progress, and the reward opportunities shown in your account. If you are looking for a unit boost, the first place to check is the Mistplay app itself. Look for available games, promotions, or special offers that may increase your earning opportunities. The biggest factor is choosing games that match your playing style. Games inside Mistplay have different progress requirements, so selecting games you can continue playing helps you complete more earning activities. Always start games through the Mistplay app. This allows your gameplay progress to be tracked toward available rewards. Another way to improve your results is to keep the app updated and make sure you are signed into the correct account. Tracking problems can prevent your progress from appearing correctly. Some users search for hidden codes or shortcuts that instantly increase units, but Mistplay rewards are based on actual app activity and available offers. Your account may show different earning options compared with another user. Mistplay availability can depend on factors like your account and the offers currently provided. If your units are not increasing, check the game requirements inside Mistplay. Make sure you have completed the required actions before expecting the reward to appear. A unit boost is only useful when you can complete the related tasks. Spending time on an offer without checking the requirements can waste your gameplay time. To get the most from Mistplay, focus on available games with progress goals you can realistically complete, and check the app regularly for new opportunities. To summarize, Mistplay unit boosts depend on available offers. Consistent gameplay through the app improves tracking, and checking requirements before playing helps you earn more efficiently. Your next step is to open Mistplay, review your current games and offers, and choose the rewards that fit your normal gaming routine. Subscribe for more Mistplay guides, reward app tips, and troubleshooting videos.